Hello guys, so I got these brand new aftermarket bags. They are basically a knockoff of the original on the Rebel 1100 bags, and as you guys can see, look like have a strong fabric, have a waterproof liner inside. The design look pretty decent. Have this kind of metal, and the best part compared to my old bags is they have a quick release, or you can see the mount here. And fortunately they only have this Chinese bag to one side of my Rebel and doesn't have to the two sides, but you guys can see I have a quick release here that will make everything easier than the ones before. This bag here is way smaller than the ones I had before, and the worst part is they are not expandable like the Simet bags that I own. But to go around town I think these ones are better, because the quick release system, I can remove the bag very easy and carry the bag with me. However, for touring I think Simet bags are the best. I will let the link here, you guys can click or click in the description and you will see my other bags. The other ones for touring, they are better because they are expandable, they are larger, and you can have one on the on the right side and one on the left side, different than this one that only sell for the left side of the bike. And to remove it is very easy. The best part, you press and release. Put them back. Done. Very fast, right? Take like half second to put the bags and remove the bags.